Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This video is a little bit different. While I was visiting Cornwall's stunning Pedn Vounder beach recently, I was slightly taken aback with how hard it is to get to it. Pedn Vounder is slightly to the southeast of Porthcurno, and Porthcurno gets absolutely hammered. I was astounded by how many people were there. But when I got to Pedn Vounder, so many people right here just couldn't do the last little bit because they hadn't seen how bad the path was, or in fact that at the end the path doesn't exist anymore and you have to climb down the cliffs. A couple of people said to me, we looked online, I wish someone had posted the full walk down. So this is the full walk down. Pedn Vounder is amazing, it is absolutely stunning, but it is quite hard to get to, and this is the full 6 or so minute walk down to Pedn Vounder. And by the way, that doesn't include the 15 or 20 minute walk from Porthcurno car park. So this is going to be a real-time video of the path down to Pedn Vounder. Now, I haven't got hiking boots on today. I've got my trainers. Dusty steps. Thank you. Thank you.
Stay safe, didn't pass.
Cool little place, isn't it?
Yeah.
No worries. No worries. Now that little cave I just went in absolutely stank of human piss. Sorry to be crass, but it did. So the path's fairly good in most places, but then I'm physically able . Lots of people going home now, which is strange because the tide's going out and the beach gets better. It's very, very slippy on these dusty rocks. I'm fine. You guys must be boiling climbing this in wetsuits.
Trying to make them dry it over.
You boil your blood. What's this? Caution, footpath closed due to erosion. Please use an alternative route. Oh, first aid box. Horn for emergencies. That's so you can notify the Coast Guardy people at Porthcurno, I imagine. Lovely. I know I did read that this is a nudist beach, but there's There's always some old boy, isn't he, with his todger out. I might have to learn how to do that blurred thing on the videos. I don't know how to do that yet. Well, here we are. This is Pedn Vounder. People soup. And I'm not going to go any further. Well, I'll go a little bit more. Oh my goodness, that lady just nearly fell. This is more than a scramble, this last bit. You are climbing. That's it, it's not a massive beach, 150 metres long. When the tide's out, it does go out way past where it's breaking there. There's a nice sandbar that appears. I mean, it's pretty, but would I walk all this way to be surrounded by this many people? No. I know I have, but I've done it for a video. Let's see what it's like in September. I'll just show you what this last little climb's like, because that looks pretty rough. Yeah, that's a proper climb. The path is definitely gone. Some people went that way. Most people seem to be punting for this way. But to the swell. Okay, so that's the path pretty much to the bottom, just not doing the bottom climb. Thanks ever so much for watching. I hope this has saved you the hassle of getting there and not being able to access that wonderful, wonderful beach. It is beautiful, it is stunning, but it's just quite difficult to get to. Have a look at Nan Jizzle, have a look at Kynance Cove. There are lots and lots of beaches on my playlist that are accessible. There are some that are not. That's the type of beach I like. But I hope this has helped. Thanks ever so much.